these tabs first. How to download, how to fix like all DLL errors. Now you want to go like Microsoft, you put cap Microsoft, download center. Here the download center. Want to press like download, and we want to search DirectX run. Okay, runtime. Installer. Installer. End user runtime. I wanna download. Okay, and you want to download that, and you want to like open dxwebsetup.exe. Oh, that's SDK. I did like wrong. Like you need like the runtime first. And you finish downloading. Okay, now I'm gonna work. This just like for direct. Okay, just install, and I agree. Like you read this, if you want to read this, and you want it to agree, keep the agreement, and you want to press next. And you don't want to install Bing bar. Okay, try Bing bar today. It's discontinued. No one like barely use that, so you just press like next. And it's installing the components, the DLL files. Like these DLL files are really important, so it's not installing like Microsoft DirectX. It says like responding the operating system. So now you just need like because it's like install it, and it's complete, and it'll fix all the DLL errors. Like please subscribe, and please put all notifications on my channels, and please like this video and comment if it works. So peace out and bye.